So you don't go back to Dinan, that's where we've just been. I've got Hoy we're going. Hoy? Go wherever. The roads are good. Do you want to just either go on the other side of the road then? Good luck. Yeah. We've got fucking rules. Clear.
I've got it all recorded now, so PG please.
Oh my, what a wonderful event that was!
That was actually really nice. I feel like a GP rider. Oh, Nick's arse is getting close to me. We need coming up and down here, we do.
Are we coming back up here or? 3 roll one. My dad can't keep up downstairs.
Yeah, I think so. Come back on ourselves again. You know what? I might do a flyby actually. Can I do that? On them sharp bends up there, I think we should do it again. I'll sit on the side.
I'm gonna get shit on your tyres. Go back up. Yeah, we'll wait 10 minutes for these fuckers, eh? Yeah, well, we got, yeah.
Okay, we need to wait a while for this, don't we? Yeah, we'll have to wait, aren't we?
Hey, there's George. I'll tell you what, he was way behind, wasn't he?
Right, watch this and I'll lead the pack. I'll show you how to ride, boys.
Yeah. Go on, mate. Just on a drop it. They're behind this at 500.
That's right. How much do these cost to repair?
Too far at one point. Yeah.
When should I go? Like?
Just got tighter and tighter, didn't he? I know. Yeah.
What time are we on? I'll leave it on the clock for 3 minutes.
Go now, George. Oh no.
No, not yet.
George, go mate, just go drive slow up the road. Drive slow on the street. You don't have to nail it up the streets, do you?
Yeah. Come catch me, boys.
Let's go and then we'll turn around and come back down again. Yeah.
When we do that though, I'm going to go to record it when we come back down. On one bend. 3, 2, 1.
Check in the road there, boy.
Getting the road here.
Big fine. Who in the road? Fucking hell, that's all we had, that's fucking. That's like fucking shit out, thank you. Fucking hell, still quickly, I'm fucking that's right, isn't it?
I like it. A few potholes there, boys.
That fucking camper had this, don't you remember?
Yeah, it's
He's already turning around here.
When he drops
around now, then, we go back
yeah. It drops off the wrong way.
Hey, where the fuck were you guys?
We're playing back there.
I didn't see you guys, where were you?
Are you perching on that then?
Hey, I'm gonna go where it's really sharp.
Yeah.
So don't go down yet. Give me like... Hey?
Just down, it's gone.
Okay, cool. I might disconnect though. I need to get my phone out and everything. Two seconds. Can you hear me?
Group connection lost.
Proper balls up then, look.
Yeah, baby.
I thought she was coming further down.
No. Then I'm gonna get my fucking bike out of here now. Well, still recording me.
Did you see how nearly fucking bearings?
Who?
Me?
Did you?
I left it off the wall.
What, when you passed me?
Yeah, that first, but as I came round and I went down,
Did you?
braking for that second bend.
No fucking way.
Yeah. Oh, I went front time went like that.
Do you want to see it? Some nice clips, boys.
There should be some more bends like that further on. Do you know what? I'm going to have a slosh rhyme here quick. Hurry up, man. I'm going to.
Yeah, I know it's sick that as I pass.
Got to press one with my fingers now, isn't it? Yeah.
It's one of my favourite bends, I think.
Yeah, I thought you were feeling out.
No, I was going to. I thought, I don't know how long you guys are gonna wait.
The locals were waiting at the time because they didn't want to come down. Cyclists were waiting with us as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You got no, you boys, you go next.
I like going up. I do more than going down. Because you got engine brake, you guys have, haven't you?
I fucking didn't on that when I got down to that, mate. Sorry, I thought I was picking where I was getting it. Straight there, he was experienced. I went down there. Fuck out to grab hand, pull the back on. While you were pulling away from me, I thought, oh, you're going a bit quick, going in there. You enjoyed yourself.
Fucking love that.
Are we on then? Yeah, let's do it. Do we need a cup of coffee now after that?
Yeah, I think so.
I think we need to change the underwear.
Hey, my chicken strips ain't got fucking nothing, mate.
Let's set cycling down here, boys.
Well, that was one of the nicest bends I've ever been on.
That's what we're missing. That's what we're missing in some of that place.
No, because we just have death rates.
A lot of people. I think you just have to.
The death rate would go up loads.
I'm not ready for you, George.
Got him. Got me, baby.
That's the citadel, that is. It's a fucking defending the boundaries. Really? Going to a pretty good run off anyway, doesn't it? Yeah. Didn't know that. I think the road does go round then. Toots directions, that's all routes that is. Toots routes. Look how all these all got ceiling. Yeah.
Nice idea.
So we're back in front now, yeah? Yeah, in front. What's that on all pumps? Don't you find a boat to ride on and make it better like that? Very few that talk. Going west round around about. Thank you. I was indicated. Couldn't see, I was all the way back round the bend.
Really beautiful, this is. train tracks on the right, I get you. Bloody beautiful. Look at that fire over there. Oh yeah, I've only just seen that. The trees were hiding. I know, they don't really stop, do they, these days?
I feel like this place would have seen a couple of bombs back in the day. It's got that vibe to it.
Has it?
Seeing some action in the fucking war as well, isn't there?
I want to see a building with fucking bullet holes. I think that'd just sort of like sum it all up.
I bet there's some right history around some of these places that's never been documented, you know.
Don't piss off there. What time is it? Or the other day? Fucking hell.
+12. Sun's over the order.
And
Yes, mate.
calm down on the fox, mate. Jesus Christ.
I won't say anything else.
This bike is fun, you know. So much torque. This sounds mint, this bike, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Tell you what.
I like how they've done that train so it fits in with the environment.
Sean, give me a rev, man.
Very well.
Rev it, give it a rev. Oh, way up now. Is it a red light where you are?
I'm on a red line.
We just pushed me.
It's red light. When we were through, we were up to the barrier.
Watch out.
It's gone through the red light to the barrier.
Oh, right. Should have shot through the face.
Red light. Ah, well.
You could have told us, just let her go through. Bloody hell, guys.
I didn't know where you were going, did I? Your responsibility to maintain your own licence, George.
I'm hungry, sure?
No, we were just kidding.
I've got no fuel at all. If my bike dies, I'm fucked. I haven't got the same as you because I was prattling around with Mark. Stop it, I'm recording.
Have you been driving in once, George? You might have to start telling us when you're recording.
Yeah. It won't make any fucking difference.
George, are you still recording?
Now I'm, yeah.
I've got a deal on my bag, mate. It's been with me for the last like 50.
Yeah, come past me then. Everyone go past.
Yeah, you can up go the other side.
Okay.
Let me dropping now. Let's go. Got my top bag.
No way. How long's it been there for? Why is it cleaning itself? Stop it! Hey, go faster then, see if it comes off. I'll be playing a game with it. Go 200 mile an hour. I bet you feel harsh. You're getting attached to it now, aren't you? We've been doing a speed limit, God. Oh?
She's poking a stick and son or whatever it is. No, not this